Alright, so this is how I fixed my Bluetooth headset audio problem on Windows 10. When I first connected it, I couldn't listen to YouTube and play CSGO simultaneously. So here are the settings that I went through in order to make sure I could do both at the same time. So first, let's start off with having your Bluetooth headset synced. I'm using the Sony 1000X M3 right now. I think will be a problem if you're using a newer Bluetooth device. So just make sure that on Windows 10 your Bluetooth is paired currently with your headset. Alright, so let's go to YouTube. So what I did is make sure that I first of all heard sound on YouTube, and I do. Then let's fire up CS. Okay. So what I'm doing right now in CS is make sure that or just for this, just because I have a dual monitor setup, I played windowed. Okay, now I have audio here too. Before I couldn't do both, but now I can. And how I fix this is, so first of all, in Windows, what you'll see here is an icon for the Bluetooth headset for your speaker. And on these newer ones, so the Realtek one, this is the one on my motherboard, so if I have like something that directly connects to my motherboard audio out, then that's something you would pick. But since it's Bluetooth, my Bluetooth headset actually comes with two outs. One is stereo and one's hands-free. I actually found that mine by default was on stereo, and for whatever reason stereo in my configuration didn't allow me to do, as you can hear now, YouTube and gaming at the same time. I'll do CS, but it won't allow me to do YouTube. So when switching to the other one, I can do both. I can do both. Just to make sure. I can do both. I can do both, but so that's how I did that. And then in CS sometimes the audio also cuts off, so you can go in the audio menu and you can play around with this here too. Do it to stereo and then back to hands-free. Do stereo, switch it back to hands-free. That should also work. So what I said there before, I'm not sure if you were able to hear that, is that in CS, you could do the same settings. Change it to stereo and then back to hands-free, and then resume the game and the audio will come back. I hope that helped somebody out there. It took me a few days to figure that out, so yeah, hope that helped.